The PTG extension identifies an ArtRage painting file containing digital painting project data from the ArtRage Natural Media Art application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or export these digital painting files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PTG data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. PTG files are painting project files for ArtRage, a natural media digital art application by Ambient Design. They contain multi-layer canvas data with paint stroke information, brush textures, canvas texture settings, and tool configurations preserving the complete painting state. ArtRage PTG files use a proprietary format, storing per-layer paint data including stroke vectors, paint thickness information, canvas grain effects, color mixing properties, and tool settings. They preserve the physical simulation of real paint media, including wet-on-wet interactions. This PTG file is handled by the industry-standard tool ArtRage from Ambient Design Ltd. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows may load the file visually, but manipulation depends on design applications. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your PTG file and choose Open With. Test ArtRage first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If the PTG file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The specificity of the PTG format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, opening the painting. Install ArtRage from artrage.com and open the PTG file via File then Open. ArtRage loads the complete painting with all layers, paint data, and canvas settings. Continue painting or modify existing strokes using ArtRage's natural media tools. Next, exporting as image. Navigate to File then Export Image in ArtRage. Save as PNG for transparency support, JPEG for web sharing, or PSD for Adobe Photoshop layer compatibility. Configure resolution and quality settings. PSD export preserves individual painting layers for editing in Photoshop. Finally, sharing paintings. PTG files can be shared with other ArtRage users who can open and continue editing the painting with full layer and paint data access. For non-ArtRage users, export as PSD or PNG to share the artwork in universally compatible image formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.